On this video we are going to practice a syllable sound that will sound like, or, as in more. Repeat the following sentences. 1. What were the first words that she learned? 2. I will learn the German verbs by Thursday. 3. It's too early to serve dessert. 4. The third version is worse than the first. 5. It's not worth worrying about another birthday. 6. I heard some curse words at work. 7. They weren't certain that the Earth circles the Sun. 8. I love Queen and Freddie Mercury. 9. This restaurant is self-serve. 10. My desk is so dirty. 11. What is her full name? 12. I would earn more money at that company. 13. I burned my computer. 14. I don't think I am a nerd. 15. Were you here yesterday?